video for Claire, and I'm on the phone with Claire. Just so you can see the wonderful storm that we're getting. My batteries are gonna die. Good lord. This is ridiculous. There's so much lightning that, like, it's like daylight out here. I wish you were somewhere else where you could hear this all going on. My God. Wow. There's nobody on the roads at all out here. Like, oh my God. That was terrifying. Did you hear that? You probably heard me scream. Okay, video's over.